Today we learn how to sign your Android application for release or how to export your Android application from Eclipse. Now first off you have to check that if you have any error contains in your project. First of all, some steps are required to check here. Go to your Android manifest XML file. You have to write Android version code and Android version name before releasing them. After writing, you have to also check that Android minimum SDK version and minimum Android target version here. After you then cancel it. Now, how to sign your Android application? First of all, click on File, then click on Export. After clicking on Go to Android, you will find Export Android application. Now click on Next. Now, if you want to, if you have already project, if you want to export, then you have to browse here from your workspace that you want to export. Otherwise, leave it blank and click on Next. After that, create a new key store. If you have already if after creating key store, you can use that key store for any project, then click on new existing key store. First of all, you have to create a new key store, then click on create new key store. Now click on browse. Here some people are facing problems that how to select paths. Then you have to click. You have to create one file, notepad file. Okay. Then first of all, you have to store your signed key store in a secure place so that no one can access that file and no can use your files. It may be problem for you if someone access and install your file key store. Then click on then folder and that one folder in that Android APK. Now I click on one. I create one notepad file. Then click on that new. Then you will find that you have select the browse path, but delete the new txt.com that parts and write make dot anything names you want to write, but after dot you have to write key store. You have to check your spelling so that no one is KYSTORE STORE. Now make the passwords. So you have to remember that password for whenever you use that key store for another application. It will ask you to password. Confirm password. Then click on next. Enter destinations for the application. First of all, you have to select your project name. Okay. Then next. Okay. Then you have to create one key store. Now password. Then also confirm your password. Then click on next. Now alias name, you have to write your name, your password. For your this is one your certificate. Then confirm password. Validity of your certificate is right minimum 35 years. First name, your first name and last name. Then organize your company's unit, your company name on Androids. Anything else you can write. Then organizes your company name. My company name, myself. You can write anything your company name. City or location, like I am living in Surat, then write Surat. State or provinces, like Gujarat, and the country code, like India. Now click on next. Here it will showcase I have already launched, so that it will show me the CA wallpaper is already exist there. You will not get that. The certificate expiring 35 warning destination. I have already signed. I have already created and export my application. That this message is showing me warning destination file is already exist. So I have to change my location. I will click on e-drive. Then I will click on save. Then okay, testing file. Then there is no error. Then finish. Click on finish. It will take some time for you. Okay, that is done. You can now see your e-drive whenever I save my file. This. Now, if you want to use that, you have create a key store for any another project. Then click on export. Then select one project. I think so, my Android app. Then click on export. Then use next and use next. Use current key store. Then click on key store you want to find you have created before that. Make.keystore. Then you have to write your password that you have created. You have to remember that. If I click on next, alias names, then he will push. He ask you password. If my password is wrong, then it will not ask me to. It does not be allowed to create. Then click on sit. Okay, then it will be done. Your another application will be